Hello, everyone. I'm Alice, and welcome to ChrisVerse. I'm really happy you're here today. If you're learning English, you're in the right place. Today, we'll learn 7 real American English phrases that people use every single day. Please don't just listen, speak with me. Repeat every sentence, nice and slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you improve. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Our first phrase is, "What's up?" This is one of the most common greetings in America. It simply means, "How are you?" Listen carefully. Chris says, "Hey, Alice, what's up?" Alice answers, "Not much. I'm practicing my English today." Great. Now it's your turn. Repeat. Our second phrase is, "I'm on my way." Americans say this when they've already started going somewhere. Listen carefully. Chris asks, "Alice, where are you?" Alice replies, "Don't worry, I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Very nice. Now repeat after me. I'm on my way. Again, I'm on my way. Excellent. Now repeat the conversation together. Where are you? I'm on my way. Our third phrase is, "No problem." Americans use this instead of, "You're welcome." Listen carefully. Chris says, "Thanks for helping me today." Alice smiles and says, "No problem. I'm always happy to help." Great. Now repeat after me. No problem. Our fourth phrase is, "Sounds good." This means, "I agree." Listen carefully. Chris says, "Let's practice English after dinner." Alice replies, "Sounds good. I'll see you at 7. Excellent. Now repeat after me. Sounds good. Again. Sounds good. Great. Now repeat the conversation. Let's practice English after dinner. Sounds good. I'll see you at 7. Perfect. Our fifth phrase is, "Take care." Americans use this when saying goodbye. It means, "Stay safe." Listen carefully. Chris says, "I'm going home now." Alice replies, "Take care. Have a wonderful evening." Chris smiles. Our sixth phrase is, "I can't wait." This means, you're really excited about something. Listen carefully. Chris says, "We're going to New York this weekend." Alice smiles and says, "Really? I can't wait. It's going to be amazing." Wonderful. Now repeat after me. I can't wait. Again. I can't wait. Excellent. Now repeat the conversation together. Great job. Our final phrase is, "You've got this." Americans say this to encourage someone. It means, "You can do it." Listen carefully. Chris says, "I'm nervous about my English test." Alice smiles and replies, "Don't worry, you've got this. I believe in you." Great. Now repeat after me. You've got this. Again. You've got this. Excellent. You're doing an amazing job.
Fantastic work. Today you learned 7 real American English phrases. Remember, learning English takes practice, not perfection. Watch this lesson again, repeat every sentence, and use these phrases in your daily life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to ChrisVerse, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I'm Alice, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then.